Are you looking to streamline and automate your machine learning workflows? Whether you're dealing with complex data pipelines or automating repetitive tasks, Apache Airflow could be the perfect tool for you. Apache Airflow is an open-source platform designed for orchestrating workflows programmatically. It's highly beneficial in data engineering, data science, and machine learning, helping you manage intricate workflows, automate processes, and ensure that your machine learning models remain up to date with new data. So, how does it work? At the core of Airflow are three key components: DAGs, directed acyclic graphs that define the order in which tasks should be executed; tasks. Each task represents a single operation in your workflow, such as fetching data or training a model. Operators. These define the type of task, from running Python scripts to waiting for specific events. Apache Airflow is particularly useful for orchestrating machine learning pipelines. Let's take a look at some real-world examples. In the financial sector, Airflow helps institutions detect fraudulent transactions in real time by managing the entire pipeline, from data ingestion to model deployment. Telecommunications companies use Airflow to predict customer churn, automating the entire process from data collection to model retraining. And environmental scientists leverage it for air pollution forecasting, ensuring accurate, up-to-date predictions across regions. Building a machine learning pipeline with Airflow typically involves multiple stages. It starts with data ingestion, fetching data from sources like databases or APIs. Next, data preprocessing takes place, cleaning and transforming the data to prepare it for model training. Then comes the model training phase, followed by model evaluation to assess its performance. Finally, Airflow automates the deployment of your model into production. Creating a directed acyclic graph, DAG, in Airflow is simple and powerful. You can define tasks for each step of your machine learning pipeline using Python code. With Python being Airflow's native language, it's easy to integrate custom workflows and leverage Python libraries within your pipelines. From data extraction to deployment, Airflow enables you to fully automate and monitor your machine learning workflows, saving time, reducing errors, and ensuring your models stay current with fresh data. Interested in learning more? We've just scratched the surface. Visit our blog for a detailed guide on using Apache Airflow with machine learning. From real-world case studies to step-by-step instructions for creating your own ML pipelines, everything you need is just a click away. See you there.